Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to go over a great octave exercise that I've known for quite a while. It's served me very, very well, and hopefully it's going to work out great for you. Quickly, a little disclaimer. I highly recommend that you are pre-warmed up before you do this exercise. The stretches can be a little intense, so especially for the beginner guitarist, make sure that you warm up first and don't just jump into this. So anyway, that out of the way. A lot of great things about this exercise. First, it's just a fantastic fret hand dexterity exercise. Next, it's really good for learning all the natural notes in the first position on the guitar, so that's awesome. Next, it's because it's an octave exercise, you're learning, octaves are just super crucial in guitar. They're great, quick finders, to find where you are. If you don't know what note you're playing in one place, you might know the octave version of that note, and so it helps you figure out where you are really quickly. And if you know you're on a right note in one area of the guitar, one neck of the woods on the guitar, you can jump to that other octave really quickly and know that you're good. Okay, so that's a great benefit to this exercise. And then learning the shapes, I think I already said that. There might be other benefits. I'm just a little foggy, I guess, right now. So this is all about the fret hand, not the picking hand. Okay, so the picking hand, you can do whatever you want. You can use all thumb, any combination of fingers, rest strokes, free strokes, it's okay. This is about the fret hand, okay? So let's go over it. Starts just E to E, and then F to F, G to G, A to A, B to the B, open B string, C to C, D, open D string to that D. Now we're going to E, and then the high E, F to high F. And now here's where we're going to jump out of the first position. So it's always been first finger for all the first fret notes, second finger for all the second fret notes, third finger for all the third fret notes. And now we're jumping up to 5 and 3 with our pinky and second finger. And then we're going to descend. Go back to F. So I have the metronome at 88. I'll count in 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll ascend and descend. I use my index and middle finger alternating with my picking hand and my thumb for the bass notes, but you can do whatever you want, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and... And that's it. I would highly recommend that this isn't about speed, it's more about the quality of finding the notes, making sure you have strong arches and the structures are really strong in what you're doing, okay? Let me know what questions you have and enjoy the work. As always, this is on tab for my Patreon subscribers, all levels. And so if you want to get that, please do. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thanks so much. Enjoy the work. Have a great day. Great guitar playing. Bye-bye.